Yo, yo. Recap for today. I'm trying to get better. Let's see. Yeah, these intervals. All right, boys, we're going to do a short recap because I kind of already had a trading overview, but I didn't take anything today. Just watch the market. Let's see what would play out. Yeah, so what I kind of was, oops, frick is this? Does that need tab? I didn't know that's tab. That's all T. Um, these hotkeys are tripping me up. So we started off bullish on this range. This is later, but today's price action is what we're focusing on. I'm just saying this that we respect this low, and I wanted to see us because we were higher into the range. Where's the replay? I wanted to see us respect the high and continue bearish. We had a massive S&T with ES and YM, so I wanted to see us respect, tap in this fair value gap, respect this area, and remain bearish for the rest of the day. Obviously, there's no problem taking longs as long as it's just used as what's it called, and then towards a manipulation leg in order to get the main distribution. Because we trade such a small time frame, like the 1 minute, we can obviously still take those trades. But I would much rather be on the probabilistic side of taking these shorts that would actually play out. So what's the first thing we do? We come down, manipulate the low. I believe Kevin took a trade here from one of the recaps. Boom. And I don't know if there's time or not, 9:17. I think so. I think that's pre-market time. Start displacing from that. And this is 9:30 open. We don't really get any retracement during the 9:32 macro. So I just wait. Wait, does this have time? 9:18. It would be in the 9:20. Yeah, that's 9:20. So we did balance fair value gap and expand. So this would be the first valid. Well, let's see. Yeah, I think the first valid was it the 2 minute? Because the 2 minute, 3 minute. This 3 minute continuation. This 3 minute continuation will be the first valid one. As we respect this level and we run to the internal high, I could have taken a 1-to-1 here, probably waiting for a little bit more displacement out of that leg, and then having one below the FVG or below the CE level. So that would have been a clean little trade there. Yeah, so I'm gonna journal that. I have it already in my Obsidian, but any missed opportunities I want to track as my continuation model also. So we come down again. Oh, this is what I missed. We had the 950 macro dip into this FEG, and we respected that area. So that could have been another trade after I see displacement, or I just see the respection of the leg below the low of the FEG, targeting a 1-to-1, trailing the rest. And bam, that could have been a great another TP2. So I had opportunity for 2 wins today. Obviously, I'm looking to scale a little bit lower. Where's my text tool? I'm looking to scale lower on the funded account because I'm currently in drawdown right now. So I want to do around 100 per trade. Because I'm not paying anything for it, I'm not in a rush. I'm just getting practice and getting time with this continuation-based model that we all use. We all use the total soup and time. But getting used to this and getting those base hits where I can get like a 70-80% win rate and tracking everything, I'm gonna start collecting data on it so I know. Like different because there's journaling and then there's data, and I want to also make a little video about this, but y'all know like data is like metrics, like actual metrics of TPs and stop loss and criteria for trades and blah blah blah. Journaling is more a reflection process where you have information, you take screenshots, blah blah blah, but there's more a discretional part of it, or part of journaling where it's like, okay, what are my emotions during this period? What was I feeling? What was my brain acting on? As in, data is concrete evidence, statistics, RR base hits or whatever, RR win rate, everything is statistical. So you want to do both of those so you have an idea, because you can't go 100% off journaling, you can't go 100% off data. You need both in order to combine and work to the best. So I'm gonna risk 100 per trade going forward into my trading. And yeah, this was really clean. The 10, oh my gosh, the 10-1 macro, or the 10 o'clock. So yeah, we souped at 10. This, I was looking, I'm saying I'm not trading reversals of the system anymore. I mean, if there's a trade presented, I might take it if it's clear to me. This was clear. And this, I was like, okay, sick, this looks epic. But I wanted to see that resweep before I actually took something. So what do we get? I think we did get a resweep, did we? No, wait, was that the high? Whoa. I didn't look at this till later. Dang. Well, I guess we've been just souping liquidity. And so soup, that was clean. Yeah, the 10-01 macro was pretty dang clean. But you'll see my live recording. I was saying, oh, we can see bearish price action from here. but I want to see it respect because also we're in this golden pocket or the extension high little area over here in the 729. So any continuations from this point? 1007. See if I miss anything. No, I'm obviously bearish at this point too. 1019. Nah, I don't think we really gained 1030. 1031, we get a counter trend reversal. Does it go up any? Yeah, so you could take that 1031. 1031, yeah. So that's a clean trade. And then we did back down. So yeah, that's just crazy because I was literally thinking about this area, but I wanted to see a double sweep, and then in order to take this double sweep and then have my stop at the protected high and take a continuation. So pretty much looking for something like this: continuation, double sweep, take the FEG or the turtle sweep continuation, or just take the friggin' reversal itself, and then have the stop at the protected high. Let that bad boy run, claim 1R, and then let the rest run. That's what I was expecting for the 10, but you know what? It is what it is. I can't believe we just we one tapped that and ran down. That's pretty cool. Even the candle opened, like we didn't even get that open high. What about, did we get on NQ? I'll stop yapping about this. No, we got the new bullish candle open high, and then I was expecting the bearish candle to open resweep again, but then I mean we didn't get any of that. But that's pretty crazy, honestly. So, what do we have 18 drawings on NQ? Break that. Yeah, that's it, boys. That's the recap for the day. We ended up obviously playing out bearishly, like I was planning on. Respecting the EQ level, and then yeah, that was it, boys. Super easy, and no trade still, which I'm glad I stayed on watch. But there's very obvious trades I should have taken today.